Just sharing some good news with all of you. You have understood by now that we have bought a small property and it's in Howrah, West Bengal. We have bought a 2 BHK flat and the project is under construction. So yeah, let's show you how our empty dream home looks like. So as you enter, you will get to see the small balcony and I like the view from here. I must say that it's so quiet and peaceful here. So this is a place which I really like and love, I must say that. And so this is our small little kitchen. Now this is a place, means kitchen is a place where I spend a lot of my time. Now this kitchen is not big, but I believe it is just perfect for us. Now as you come out of the kitchen, you are going to get the living room. Now guys, I am not too good at vlogging, please don't judge me. Hope you understand this. And we have 2 bathrooms, so this is one of the 2s. And let me show you one room. We have 2 rooms, I have told you. So this is one room, and I just love the fact it is far away from city's hustle and bustle. It is so quiet. And this is our master bedroom. Now can you see the greenery from my bedroom window? Now this is something I really love. I like places which are quiet and peaceful. And yeah, let me show you my washroom. You are thinking what is there to show in my washroom? Now I found something very interesting. I found this nest, and I think it's a pigeon's nest, and there is one egg also. As you can see, it was really beautiful to see this. I never seen something like this so closely. And yeah, that was my small little vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ta-da, bye bye.